Welcome to uCertify CompTIA PenTest Plus Must-Know Glossary Terms. Term: scarcity. Definition: a social engineering technique whereby an attacker creates a feeling of heightened urgency in a decision-making context to convince targets to reveal information. Term: searchsploit. Definition: a tool used to download a copy of the exploitDB, exploitdb.com, and search downloaded exploits. Term: Secure Software Development Lifecycle, SSDLC. Definition: the process of incorporating security best practices, policies, and technologies to find and remediate vulnerabilities during the software development lifecycle, SDLC. OWASP provides best practices for and guidance on implementing SSDLC at owasp.org. Term: sensitive data. Data that, if compromised, would have a severe impact on an organization. Term: service enumeration. Definition: the process of identifying the services running on a remote system. This is the main focus of Nmap port scanning. Term: service level agreement, SLA. Definition: a well-documented expectation or constraint describing one or more of the minimum and/or maximum performance measures, such as quality, timeline/time frame, and cost, for a network. Term: session fixation. Definition: a type of attack in which an attacker intercepts and manipulates web traffic to inject or fix the session ID on the victim's web browser. Term: Shodan. Definition: a search engine for devices connected to the Internet that continuously scans the Internet and exposes its results to users via the website https://www.shodan.io and via an API. Attackers can use this tool to identify vulnerable and exposed systems on the Internet, such as misconfigured IoT devices and infrastructure devices. Penetration testers can use it to gather information about potentially vulnerable systems exposed to the Internet without actively scanning the victim. Term: short message service, SMS, phishing. Definition: a phishing exploit that uses SMS to send malware or malicious links to mobile devices. Term: shoulder surfing. Definition: a process in which an attacker obtains information, such as personally identifiable information, PII, passwords, and other confidential data by looking over a victim's shoulder. Term: side-channel attack. Definition: an attack that is typically based on information gained from the implementation of the underlying computer system or cloud environment, instead of a specific weakness in the implemented technology or algorithm. The attacker aims to gather information from or influence an application or a system by measuring or exploiting the indirect effects of the system or its hardware. Most side-channel attacks are used to exfiltrate credentials, cryptographic keys, or any other sensitive information by measuring coincidental hardware emissions. Term: social proof. Definition: a social engineering technique in which the target is not able to determine the appropriate mode of behavior in a given situation or environment. The attacker establishes what the normal behavior is to convince targets to reveal information. Term: social engineer toolkit, SET. Definition: a tool that can be used to launch numerous social engineering attacks and that can also be integrated with third-party tools and frameworks, such as Metasploit. Term: software development kit. Definition: a set of software tools and programs used by developers to create applications. Term: spamming. Definition: the act of sending unsolicited email messages. Term: spear phishing. Definition: phishing attempts that are constructed in a very specific way and directly targeted to specific individuals or companies. The attacker studies the victim and the victim's organization to make emails look legitimate, perhaps even as though they are from trusted users within the corporation. Term: SQL injection, SQLI. Definition: a type of attack in which the attacker inserts or injects partial or complete SQL queries via a web application. SQL commands are injected into data plane input in order to execute predefined SQL commands. Term: SQL map. Definition: a tool used to automate an SQL injection attack. Term: stacked queries. Definition: an attack technique in which queries can be used to execute any SQL statement or procedure. A typical attack using this technique specifies a malicious input statement. Term: statement of work, SOW. Definition: a document that specifies the activities to be performed during a penetration testing engagement. Term: stealth scan. Definition: a scan that is run without alerting the defensive position of the environment. It involves implementing a vulnerability scanner in such a manner that the target is unlikely to detect the activity. Term: steganography. Definition: the act of hiding a message or other content within an image or video file. Term: string operator. Definition: a Python construct that is used to manipulate values of variables in various useful ways. Term: supervisory control and data acquisition, SCADA. Definition: a set of hardware components and software used to control and interact with devices such as sensors, pumps, motors, valves, and other industrial control systems. Term: tailgating. Definition: a situation in which an unauthorized individual follows an authorized individual to enter a restricted building or facility. Term: technical controls. Definition: controls that make use of technology to reduce vulnerabilities. Term: the harvester. Definition: a passive reconnaissance tool. Term: threat actor. Definition: a person or group who is responsible for a security incident. The main categories of threat actors are organized crime, insider threat, state-sponsored, and hacktivist. Term: time of day restrictions. Definition: restrictions on user access that are based on the time of the day. For example, you may only allow certain users to access specific systems during working hours. Term: tree. Definition: a nonlinear data structure represented by nodes in a hierarchical model. Term: unauthenticated scan. Definition: a method of vulnerability scanning that is used to perform a black box type of penetration test. It scans only the network services that are exposed to the network because there are no credentials used for access to the target. Term: universal serial bus USB drop key. Definition: an attack in which an attacker drops USB flash drives loaded with malware in a public place in the hopes that targets will pick them up and, out of curiosity, plug them into systems to see what's on them. Once one of these drives is plugged in, the malware can automatically run and infect the system. Term: unknown environment testing. Definition: testing in which the tester is provided only a very limited amount of information, for instance, only the domain names and IP addresses that are in scope for a particular target. The idea of this type of limitation is to have the tester start out with the perspective that an external attacker might have, formerly referred to as black box penetration testing. Term: user enumeration. Definition: the process of gathering a valid list of users, which is the first step in cracking a set of credentials. Armed with the username, it is possible to begin attempts to brute force the password of the account. User enumeration is performed again after gaining access to the internal network. Term: vertical privilege escalation. Definition: a situation in which a lower privileged user accesses functions reserved for higher privileged users, such as root or administrator access. Term: virtual local area network, VLAN, hopping. Definition: a method of gaining access to traffic on other VLANs that would normally not be accessible. Term: vishing. Definition: a social engineering attack carried out via a phone conversation. The attacker persuades the user to reveal private, personal, and financial information or information about another person or a company. Stands for voice phishing. Term: VM escape vulnerabilities. Definition: an attack in which an attacker can access other VMs or the hypervisor, escape, in order to compromise those systems. Term: vulnerability. Definition: a weakness in an information system or in system security procedures internal controls, or implementation that could be exploited or triggered by a threat source. Term: vulnerability scanning. Definition: a technique used to identify hosts or hosts' attributes and associated vulnerabilities. Term: W3AFF. Definition: a web application scanner. Term: watering hole attack. Definition: a targeted attack that occurs when an attacker profiles the websites that the intended victim accesses. Term: web page enumeration/web application enumeration. Definition: a process that involves looking at a web application and mapping out the attack surface. Term: whaling. Definition: an attack that is similar to phishing and spear phishing, except that it is targeted at high-profile business executives and key individuals in a company. Whaling emails are designed to look like critical business emails, or as though they come from someone with legitimate authority. Whaling web pages are designed to specifically attract high-profile victims. Term: whois. Definition: a tool used to obtain domain registration information and IP address block ownership information. Term: WinDebug. Definition: a Windows-based debugger. Term: Windows Management Instrumentation. Definition: the infrastructure used to manage data and operations on Windows operating systems. It is possible to write WMI scripts or applications to automate administrative tasks on remote computers. Threat actors use WMI to perform different activities in a compromised system. Term: Windows Remote Management, WinRM. Definition: a legitimate way to connect to Windows systems that can also be useful for post-exploitation activity.